Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi and Rajya Sabha's leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting a special session of Parliament in the wake of Pahalgam terror attack in Kashmir. In his letter, Rahul Gandhi said that the opposition believes that a special session of both houses of Parliament should be convened where the representatives of the people can show their unity and determination. He maintained that the terrorist attack in Pahalgam has outraged every Indian. At this crucial time, India must show that we will always stand together against terrorism. On the other hand, Mallikarjun Kharge said the session will be a powerful demonstration of our collective resolve and will to deal with the brutal terror attack in Pahalgam on innocent citizens on 22nd of this month. Kharge further maintained that unity and solidarity is essential at this moment, and opposition believes that it is important to convene a special session of both houses of Parliament at the earliest.